invitations to the boiler room. Each of you will receive one envelope, and it's important that you hold on to it and keep it sealed until you are summoned to the boiler room on Wednesday.
You see this week's boiler room. Guys, I don't have a great feeling about it. I do not have a great feeling about it. I know I said the same thing the previous week, but that is simply because I didn't know that maybe the envelopes would have something like that, like what Big Brother awarded them with last week. But this week, every single housemate was given this envelope. Each and every one of them were given this envelope. And I'm just like, could it be that it has the same things that it had last week? I don't think that's possible. Big Brother usually doesn't do the same thing repeatedly. By the way, guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for joining me. If you are new to this channel, you are definitely welcome. Please do make sure that you hit the subscribe button, you turn on your notification bell, you like, share, comment, watch my ads, and also share my videos and my channel to your friends and your families. So Big Brother decided to bring back this whole entire boiler room, but with a different twist this time around. So last week the envelopes were hidden, and the housemates were supposed to search for the envelopes. This week he decided to give them openly to each and every one of them. I have a bad feeling about it, because what if someone gets evicted on Wednesday? Or maybe in that boiler room, they say that they choose one housemate that they want to be evicted from the house. Another thing, most of these housemates are suspecting that it's money. They're gonna be offered money to leave the house. Some are celebrating that if ever they are offered the money, they're just gonna take the money and leave the house. But I don't think that Big Brother might repeat what he did last season. That's my thing. That's just my thing. Usually, Big Brother doesn't repeat the same thing over and over again. That's why I'm saying I don't think that he will give them access to shop or buy something again this week like they did last week. I feel like last week was some sort of like a trial. Yeah, it was some sort of a trial. Or it is possible that last week he wanted specific people to find those envelopes and they didn't. And this time around, he had to give the envelope to the rest of them. So whatever mission or whatever it is that he wants to be accomplished can be accomplished. But also I doubt, because I'm tired of accusing production of things that might not even be there. Because it's possible that Big Brother does not even have a certain mission, or is trying to evict a certain housemate. It is possible as well. But all I'm saying is that I do not have a great feeling about this upcoming boiler room. I guess we'll also get to find out on Wednesday what happens with the envelopes and what they have. And yeah, I guess we'll find out on Wednesday. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys, if you haven't. Turn on your notification bell so you're notified whenever I get to post new videos. Also, please do like and share your thoughts in the comment section. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.